morning students. Now is your English time and today I will be taking your, you can see, English grammar. Okay. So today I will be taking your English grammar class, and in offline class I have started the chapter number 6, one and more than one. Yes, all of you, very good morning. So, in offline class, I have started the chapter 1 and more than 1. Okay. Let's revise the chapter once again, then I will be moving forward with the next set of exercises. Okay. So, what is one and what is more than one, and how we can make a word more than one? Like, see, one car, it will be, if we want to make it more than one, it will be one car. One car, if we want to make it more than one, what do we need to do? We need to just simply add s at the end of the word to make it more than one. Clear? So here s, Pratyushna, very good. So here one, you can see the board clearly, one car, and here if there is more than one, there we need to add s to make it more than one. Clear? Yes, Riddhi, very good. And not only s, sometimes we need to add, see, let's see, what do we need to do now? One bus, if we need to make it more than one, what do we need to add? In this case, we need to add es. Yes, very good. So, in this case also we need to add es. So, these points we have to remember that not only s, we sometimes need to add es also to make it more than one. Like in this example, one car, that is two cars. Here we have added s, and one bus, that is four buses, we have added es here. Yes, very good. Yes, Rihanshi, Indrakshi. Yes, all of you will be writing this in your book, and you can write it in your copy also. And I prefer to write it in your book. Okay. Now, let's revise the exercises I have done in the offline class. Page number 12, all of you open page number 12, okay. Riddhi, why have you got the call? Sir, achen? Someone has removed. Riddhi. Yes. Riddhi. Riddhi, why have you cut the call? Do not cut the call, any of you, okay? Do not interrupt in the class. Any of you, especially Riddhi, will not be cutting the call. No one will cut the call. Now turn to page number 12 and look at the C part. and let's do this. Here first read the heading, that is A add S or ES to make them many. So here we need to add S or ES to the words to make these many, like wall. So if we want to make it many, so what do we need to add? We need to add S to this word to make it plural. Okay, clear? So here we need to add S to make it plural means more than one. You can do it in the book also. Number 2, that is bush, and it will be, what do we need to add now? Bushes. Here we need to add ES to make it more than one. Clear? So here we need to add ES to make it more than one. All of you will be writing in your book. Okay? Okay, now bush will be bushes, and I am now writing the next one, that is tomato. This will be ES. Here we need to add ES to make it more than one. Tomatoes. TOMATOES, tomatoes. Okay. I hope all of you are writing without making any mistake. Don't make any mistake because I am giving you time to write all of these. Fourth is monkey. And here what do we need to add? Can any of you tell me? Use the chat box to give the answer. Here we need to add S to make it more than one. Try to give answers because I have already done this in the offline class and I am revising it now. So try to answer all of these. Okay, monkey. Then fifth one is watch. That will be watches. Clear? Sixth one is kite, and this will be kites. Here also we need to add S to make it plural. Okay, now I am erasing it and I will be doing the next part. So all of you write it very clearly and without making any mistake. Now I am moving forward with the next set. Okay, I am giving you time a bit so that you can note it down. Okay, I am erasing it now. Seventh seventh number, that is class. What it will be? It will be classes. Sir, removing. Sir, remove করে দিচ্ছে। অঙ্কিতা নস্কর। Ankita, why have you removed? All of you do not touch the red button, okay? No one will cut the call. No one will cut the call. Ankita, why have you cut the call? Do not do this again, okay? Yes, now I think all of you can see me and hear me also. Rehanshi, Oshmi, now you can hear me. So yes, Riddhi, there will be classes. Now the next one is nurse. And this will be, can any of you tell me that? Sir, my microphone is muted. Pratyushna is saying that please ma'am, please unmute your microphone. My microphone is muted. All of you, please do not mute my microphone. Now you can see me. Now can you see me and hear me? Do not mute my microphone, all of you mute your microphones, okay? Ninth one is fox. It will be foxes. Like we need to add es here now. Nihan, you have muted me. Why? Nihan, do not mute my microphone. Who is muting my microphones? Is it true that Nihan is muting my microphone? Any of you do not please mute my microphone, okay? Nihan, is that you? In this word branch, we need to add es also to make it more than one. Clear? Yes, now you can see. Very good. Okay, okay. Nihan, everyone is saying that you are muting my microphone. So, clear? Now I am moving to the next set of exercise. Now, look at the D part, that you will be seeing something more different rather than the previous one. Okay. You can see here that, let's see the example first. What do we can see? That after these words, the last words are FE and F. So, when there will be FE or F at the end of any word, to make it more than one, we have to change that and write VES like this. Like this. So, here we need to change FE and write VES instead of FE to make it more than one. Clear? And in case of F also we need to add VES. Clear? Clear? F or FE? Yes, instead of F or FE, we need to write VES in the place FE and F. FE and F changes to VES. Okay? Dibojyoti, very good. Now, let's do the exercise now. Clear? And with doing the exercise, we can understand it. We will be understanding more better. One is done for you. So, here it will be many knives. Okay. So, we have added VES instead of FE. One leaf, that will be many like this. Clear? One thief, one thief, many thieves. Clear? Okay, next is one loaf, that is many loaves, like this. And the last is one wolf, clear? Look at the word very clearly. So we have changed FE to VES. FE, F to VES. One knife, many knives. One leaf, many leaves. One thief, many thieves. One loaf, many loaves. One wolf, many wolves. Clear? Yes, you can get it in YouTube. I will give the part also in the offline. Okay? Rehanshi, you can write it in your copy. You can write it in your book also. But now, for now, I am telling you to write in your book. Okay? So, clear? I hope all of you are writing, and after that I will be moving forward. Now I am erasing it. Ma'am, I cannot understand. Okay. Here in the D part, we have to change FE or F to VES to make it more than 1. Okay. I will be revising it in this class also, and I will be providing this class in your YouTube and ePortal. Okay. Now the next part is E. Okay. Let's understand it. See here. FE or F always will change to VES whenever we need to make that words to plural. So FE we need to make VES. Okay. Now clear? So in case of any words that has FE and F at the end, we have to change to VES to make it plural. Yes, it or FE. Okay. So loaf, there is also you can see F at the end. That's why it has changed. Okay. Now let's come to the E part. Yes, Aman, you can do this in your book. For now, you will be doing this in your book. Number part E, there is ma'am ki booke korbo. Yes, now you will be doing this in your book. Okay. Pratyushna, there is loaf and F at the end. That's why it has changed to VES. Clear? Loaves, LOAVES. Clear? Now clear? It has F at the end. That's why it has changed to VES. Means LOAVES. Loaves. Clear? Now the next one. That is, let's see another example. Baby. In this word, Y is placed at the end of the word. So, when we need to make it plural, what do we need to add? IES to make it plural, make it more than one. Okay. So, it can be AF, F or FE. Okay. It can be AF, F. So, first of all, you need to just see that F is present at the end of the word. You need to see that only F is present at the end of the word. Okay. And AF also, there you can change it to VES. Okay. Pratyushna, I am saying this to you. Just see that there is F, only F at the end of the word, then you can change it. It can be FE, F or AF. Okay. Now, one baby, Y at the end of the word, so we need to change it to IES to make it many babies. BABIES, babies. Okay. Like, let's take another example, that is one lady. Many ladies. Here also, instead of Y, we have changed it to IES to make it more than one. Clear? Pratyushna, for now, you just see that F is present at the end of the word, then you can change it. Okay, for now, just listen to this. F is present at the end of the word, then you will change it. Okay, and if they are not, I will check it later, then tell you. Okay, so for now, just see that F is present at the end of the word, then you will change that to VES. Okay. Now, one lady, that is many ladies, IES, Y will be changed to IES to make it more than one. Clear? That is number 1 and this is number 2. Number 3 is one lily. This also will change to many lilies. Y will change to IES. Okay. Fourth one is one fairy. That is many fairies. Like here also, Y will be changed to IES to make it more than one. And one story, Y will be changed to many stories. Okay, Y will be changed to many stories, that is IES to make it more than one. Clear? So, one baby, many babies. One lady, many ladies. One lily, many lilies. One fairy, many fairies. One story, many stories. Clear? And I will be also providing this in your offline class also, so that you can understand it more well. Okay. So, I have completed this page exercise and the next page I will be doing in the later on classes. So, today is up to this. All of you write this well, okay, without making any mistake. Today is up to this. All of you study well at your home, and thank you for today.